How to get followers on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to get followers on Instagram. So to get Instagram followers, there are various different methods. So first of all, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and update your application. Make sure to stick with us right till the end. So first of all, what you can do is, in order to get followers on Instagram, you can start posting high quality content. Now if you post high quality content or engage in content consistently, then you can get more followers instantly. Apart from it, you can also use using hashtags. So incorporate relevant and trending hashtag into your post. So you can search out for a popular hashtag and all that before you post a particular content. And you can also schedule Instagram posts in advance if you want to do it so. And you can also engage with customers, brand advocates and influencers at the same time, which can also help you gain a lot of followers on Instagram instantly. And out of all, you should avoid fake Instagram followers, because this is going to hamper you with getting followers on Instagram. You can also showcase your Instagram everywhere you can, or any of the social media platforms, so that people can get to follow you and you can increase your followers at the same time. You can also post content that followers actually want to see. So basically, you can just post the content according to the audience, and these were some of the ways to get followers on Instagram instantly. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.